So to get your social media set up, what you want to do is where your face is on the upper right hand corner, you just click on it and your settings will drop down. Go ahead and click on the settings feature, and then you just want to scroll down to where it says your social preferences, okay, your social presence, excuse me. Here is where you will add any of the social media accounts that you want to add. You just hit edit. You just put, in this case, you could just put your handle. You don't have to put like twitter.com/Arel. You just put, your handle and then hit save. Now, my personal recommendation is to only, and actually, I don't even be posting on Instagram like that anymore. I just post on LinkedIn. So my personal recommendation is to keep the social media handles that you're actually active on. So for example, I have a Twitter, I have a YouTube. I don't post, those are deserts. I don't even go on there anymore. And Instagram, I've slowly stopped posting on it. I like LinkedIn. I feel like it's like the place for me to be. So I like to just drive people to where I actually want them to follow me. And you'll see, I'll just go through this really quickly. Not valuable. He sucks. No, you can't contact me. Let's stay in touch right here. That's where that social media pops up at the end of the survey, and it's a clickable link, so people can click on it and then head over to your LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, blah, 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 and all that kind of fun stuff. Does that answer your question about the social media?